Hi guys, it's me. So I want to share with you some stuff that I've been working on, and just to say hi. I know you guys haven't seen me face to face for a while, so I thought it would be fun to do like a little vlog, just kind of telling you about the direction of the channel and sharing with you art that I don't get a chance to show you on screen. So that should be fun. Sorry for my messy desk over there, but it's loaded full of stuff. But yes, it's great to see you guys. Thank you so much for all your support for my channel. It's just been amazing, and I've just had a really good year, and I hope that 2018 will be even more amazing because of you guys, because you're awesome. So the channel, I will be posting videos on Tuesdays and Thursdays, so please keep an eye out for those. Make sure that you hit the bell so you're notified of any upcoming videos that I have going on. Now I want to share with you the good stuff. So for my birthday, my friends gave me like a surprise celebration. It was really wonderful, and we had like tamales, and it was great just being with my crafty friends for my birthday. So that was super fun, but I didn't get a chance to show you kind of a few things that I made while we were there. So first, I used the sewing machine for the very first time. So one of the ladies had these tote bags. So I made this with a fish, kind of in the same style as my Mix Media boho fish. I just love fish, so I got to use a sewing machine, and I really love the way it turned out. So that was really fun, and I totally want to make more of these bags. And then we got together for Pam's birthday, which is one of my crafty friends, and we went to Ceramics in the City, which is like a ceramic / they do fused glass and painting classes too. But it's this cute little place on Colfax, and they do lots of fun stuff. So I made another fish out of ceramic, so that's what I picked out, and it turned out really great, and we had a fabulous time together. We actually didn't finish our projects on the first day, so we totally had to go back and do it again. But that's how it looks. It's really cool. And they fire them for you, and you come back and all that stuff. So it's fun. I don't know how I'm going to use it, if I want to use it for a dish, but I'm probably going to use it in my art room as like palette or something like that. I don't know. And then, as you guys know, I've been teaching tons and tons of art classes. So I make tons of journals in there. So this is the one that I made, and it has leaves on it. It's really cute. So they're fun. They just have a very easy little closure, and then of course I had to do the Jenny Belly style with all the scrap papers, and then they just come with cardstock. So those are really fun. I have a ton of them. I'm probably going to have to start selling them. And then this one I really love. This is texture paste, and then washi tape, and just all sorts of pretty colors, and a little bit of beads on the side too. So they're fun. Very good. And then I have this one too, Dream, and I have a couple more too. But I really love this. This is antique, and the ladies in the class actually wanted to scrunch the paper. So there's folds and all sorts of stuff, and then a button, and of course the inside has kind of vintage looking. I just kind of rubbed some paint on there. But they're really fun. It's a really fun class. It takes all day, but it's a lot of fun. So that's cool. And then, oh sorry, let me show you more art. So I've been practicing my hand and acrylic painting, so I made this really cute flamingo, which I love. I also made a tree, but it's hanging on the wall and I can't take it off. But isn't that cute? So he's super cute. I love how this turned out. And these are with Artist Loft paints, which I didn't think that I was going to like, but they blended fairly nicely. It's just the student grade one, and I like them. I think that they're not bad paints. And then I have some more to show you. So this is from my class, the Mixed Media Canvas class, and I really love this one. And a few of you guys were asking me if I sell my paintings. I do. You can totally DM me if you are interested in any of them, or email me. My email is always in the description of these videos. But I really love how this turned out. This is one of my favorites. And I believe that art should be affordable, so my canvases usually run from $20 to $25, which I know is kind of low because I do use really good materials and that kind of thing, but I think that people should be able to afford art. So if you see something that you like, I'm sure that we can work together. And this is one of my old ones. It's one of my most popular mixed media canvas videos. It's with the birch trees, and I actually got a commission to do a larger size of this painting, and I did, and it was so much fun. So I did that one. So that one I still have. People love it, but no one has committed to buying it. But I did for the craft show. Oh my gosh, I sold like 5 paintings. It was so awesome. I was so excited. And then this one, it has Dream on it. This is really cool with modeling paste and black gesso. And I think I have a process video for this one. I haven't edited it though. But isn't that pretty? And it says Dream, so that's fun. And then this one, butterflies. And this was just a demo for my mixed media canvas class, but it's really cute. And I'm actually going to make an online class of this process. I really love masking, and I think it's a great introduction to, sorry for the airplanes, to mixed media. And then this is Free as a Bird. I love this one. This one's so fun. So I made like a bird stencil. I hand cut that out. And then it's so beautiful. And this was one that I made in class with my students. So it's pretty special. Pretty cute. And then this is the birch trees, but I did it this way and not the other way. And then I used different colors, and this is actually one of my first online classes, so I'm editing the videos and everything, getting those up, but it's a really fun process. So that should be up. Hopefully, I'm hoping for next week. I should have some online classes coming out, so that should be fun. And then this is another one with hearts. I teach a lot of these mixed media canvas classes, so I have a ton of these canvases. And then there's this one, which is circle. The ladies in my class said that it reminded them of like that it should be in a yoga studio or something, or balance or that kind of thing. So it's really pretty. I like it. I love the circle. Really fun. And then I've also been doing a lot of abstract paintings. I love abstract. So I'm hoping to teach a class next year, but this is what those look like. And I think I have processes of these, but they're really pretty and gorgeous, and I love them. So they're beautiful. So tell me if you guys want to see the process videos. I just filmed it just cause, but I think they're really pretty and I love them. It's a really fun process. Alright, anything else? No, I think that's it for that. And then I want to share with you, this is my newest mixed media doll. She's so cute and I love her. So she's pretty fun. She's cute. And then I also got a fabulous gift. I made an elephant canvas. I'll see if I can put a picture of it for you. But it's the same kind of style as my things, but I went to a craft show at my mom's job, and there was this young girl there. She's an amazing artist. She does acrylic pours, plus she manipulates like old pictures and makes the most beautiful like galaxies and that kind of thing with it. And it was really great. We bonded, and her mom loved this mixed media canvas that was a picture of this elephant. And she, you know, it's kind of hard when you're coming out and you're just selling canvases. She had journals and other stuff too, but she didn't make as many sales as she wanted to because she really wanted to buy this elephant for her mother. So I kind of saw that, and I got her information and I gave it to her as a gift. Just because, you know, if someone loves my art, we can find a way to, you know, work it out. And I know how it is to be a child and to want to buy something beautiful for your mother, you know, who mothers do so much for us and we love them so much. And to be young and not to be able to buy something that they love, it's really hard. So I was just really happy to be a part of that. That's what it really came down to. So it was fun. And she's an amazing artist. Absolutely. Yeah. If I would have made some more money, I would have totally bought one of her pieces. So I had my mom take it to work. It got to her and her mom and they loved it. And I wasn't expecting, you know, anything in return at all, but she does these beautiful acrylic pours. So she gave me one and my mom one. And I want to show you, they are so beautiful. So this one is the one that I picked. They're just absolutely gorgeous, and it has, she does it with metallic paints. They're absolutely beautiful. It's just gorgeous, and it's on a wood canvas. It's just pretty, and this is my first acrylic pour, and I absolutely adore it. Isn't that pretty? And she's a young woman, and she makes the most beautiful acrylic pours, and I just love supporting other artists. I think that it's so important, especially when you're that age and you do something that you really love. So it's really cool. And then she gave me this beautiful little information card, and it's called Daydream, and it's on wood, and it's an original work. She said that no reproductions will be made, and she has her handler too. So I will link her below, and I hope you guys go check her out and see her beautiful work. And if you're interested in ever getting an acrylic pour, she's the artist to go to. I just love it. It's so pretty. It's Interstellar Daydreams. Isn't that pretty? So I have a card. I'm going to have to tape it on there. It's so pretty, and I just love all the purples. You guys know how much I love purple and the flow and everything. It's just awesome. Okay guys, so I guess that's it. I just wanted to hop on here and actually say hi to you guys, because I haven't done that in a while, and just thank you so much for your support and your encouragement. You guys are so awesome, and I really appreciate you guys, in case I don't say that enough. And a special thanks to my patrons. You guys are so awesome, and you really make it possible for me to make videos. Without you, I don't know what I would do, but I am so grateful for you, and you are super duper awesome. Alrighty guys, so let me know if you like these kind of videos where I show you art that I don't necessarily make for YouTube. If you enjoy like seeing that. I also have like journals and stuff that I do that are just personal journals and that kind of stuff that I'd love to share with you. If this is something that you want to see, let me know about videos that you guys want to see. I have lots of ideas, lots of fun stuff coming up this year. And also, if you have any art questions, please let me know. Someone did send me an email about questions that they had about this, how I seal my artwork with hairspray. So I will return that email, or I'll make a video like explaining why I use hairspray, how it works, how your work is not gonna yellow over time, that kind of thing. Yeah, so it's really fun, and I hope you guys are doing well, and I will see you guys later. Thank you so much. Bye bye.
Why so many tears? You've been there for me.